What's up guys? So today we're going to be doing a custom order and I'm going to kind of bring you along with me on the process. For starters, this is for a very special client, Lillian. She's always ordered for me. She's always just super sweet, and I usually don't do customs outside of what's on my website, but for her, I always will. You know what I mean? She's one of my only clients that has my personal number. So I am going to be doing some tops that I don't generally offer because she requested them, and then I'm going to be doing my biker shorts, which you can order. So if you do like those, you can go ahead and order them on my website. I have made a ton of clothes for her in the past, and she just sent a ton more for me to make. I'll show you guys the shirts. So I'm not going to take them apart because she has them all matched up because she's literally the best. So the biker shorts are going to be like split graphics. So I'm going to take like this shirt and this shirt, make them into biker shorts. And then we got all these other shirts. And then for tops, she wants like a little tie around top. So she gave me one for reference and she wants me to like make a different pattern for that. And then she got a bunch of t-shirts for me to turn those in. She is also literally the cutest ever, and she sent me a little gift bag. It just made my day, you know? That's adorable. Love her, but let's get into it. For my biker shorts pattern, I start off with like a basic pattern. Like you can just trace some biker shorts you already have and add a little extra seam allowance because t-shirts aren't very stretchy. And most pants or shorts are made with 4 panels, but because I always make these out of graphics, I only use 2 panels, like 1 panel per leg, so I don't split the graphics on the side. So you'll see the only seams are on the inner leg and the crotch. That way I can keep all of the graphics on the sides of the legs. So I start out taking my 2 legs and sewing the inner thigh panel, and then I sew the crotch to make those little biker shorts you saw. They come together pretty quickly, and then I just have to make the waistband. So I sew, you can do this a ton of ways, but I sew like a circle first, and then I just fold it over and clip that with a clip, and then I go over it. I'm gonna go over it with my cover stitch machine because you wanna make sure it has a little bit of stretch. But if you don't have this cover stitch machine right here, you can just use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine or a different stretch stitch. Cover stitch just gives you a little bit more of a professional finish. If you're like selling, I would look into one, but it's not really necessary. And after I'm done putting the waistband on, I'm just doing the same thing and folding up the bottoms and hemming it on the same machine. It's all really the same process. So here I'm doing the tops now, and I'm also hemming them with my cover stitch machine just to give them that professional finish. But once again, you could use a zigzag. You could probably even use a straight stitch for this because they don't need to be stretched very much. They're like a little tie top. And the pattern for this top is literally just like a trapezoid, I think it's called, with strings on it. So this is super cute and easy for a beginner sewer. So you can see here's all the tops I made her, and they're super easy. You just, you know, make little strings and put them off the edge. That's what it looks like on a mannequin. Super cute, super adjustable. I feel like these would be great to like share with friends for a tailgate or something. And here are all the biker shorts I made her. I usually do split graphics, but I actually really like how these came out all the same color. And of course, I gave her a little keychain because she's a very special client. And then I just packed up her order. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what videos you want to see next.